Now I know it looks like I'm being too aggressive perhaps with these rose bushes, but let me tell you, if you get in there and you get tough with them, they're going to produce so many blooms you can't believe it. All right, I've taken some shears. You want to start with sharp shears and get you some gauntlet gloves and leather, because these things will eat you alive. And then what I like to do is take a pair of pruning shears, and I'm going to go in here and I'm going to clean this little gentleman up. What I'm going to do is take out all this material that's fallen in so you can get a good idea of the shape of the plant here, all right? If I had a ragged edge like I have here, I want a nice clean cut. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go through here and I'm going to take out anything that's dead. And I'm going to take out everything that's under the size of a pencil. Now I want you to pay attention to this. You see how this stem is grown from the outside, not inside here? That's what you want if you want your plant to grow this direction. So look for those dormant buds and cut just above one that is growing out. And that's how you get a nice shaped plant. What I like to do is go ahead and give them some feed. This time of year they're dormant. And I do that every 6 weeks through the growing season. And in just a few weeks, those little buds will begin to form. From there on, I'm going to have so many blooms you can't even count them.